Hey, one American actor by name Alec Baldwin. I hear say this guy don't go mistakenly kill person and injure person. No. And based on what I hear on all this normal American movie where they act, say they want they do shooting part, make the thing they real. Now there this guy no say the prop gun where the gun where the one you stay act, he no say real bullet, live bullet they inside the thing. Now there guys making just go do mistake shoot. Now there person just die just like that. My people beg, making a follow me watch.
Some remarkable pictures of Alec Baldwin, it seems, taken just after this incident happened on the side of a road in Santa Fe. The police saying that a prop firearm was fired during the filming of a scene in this on this very popular filming location. What they're looking into is how it was discharged and what projectile came out of it, because two people were hit. Helena Hutchins, who was the cinematographer on that movie, she was airlifted to hospital and pronounced dead at the scene. The director, Joel Souza, was also injured, is still being treated according to the latest update. Now, the production company has said that this was a scene being filmed with blanks in that prop firearm. The police haven't confirmed that. The police haven't yet said it was an accident. They're saying they're treating it as a shooting investigation, but say it was during the filming of the scene. They say the investigation is active and open. There have been no charges, no arrests. They're interviewing all of the witnesses, and they have spoken to Alec Baldwin. But as you can imagine, a lot of tributes to Helena Hutchins, someone who was seen as a real rising star in Hollywood, someone who'd been voted as a rising star, a terrible loss, the Cinematographers Guild said about her death. And the company making this film say that they're providing counselling services to everyone connected with it as they try to process these awful events. But a real shock for Hollywood and a lot of questions about how this could possibly have happened.
Hey, this one I read base for this man. Because I bet how you want to explain now. Say now play, now you they play. And for this bullet to wound two person, first kill one, come wound the person, it means that this one a real gun. No be anything prop. I beg why be son of go carry real gun. Enter where they act film. And I beg who even put bullets inside this kind of thing. Because me I never hear for movie set we say that they carry gun where get real bullets, they use an act. I still say all these things are shere. And what make me even prefer our Nigerian film? We go fake am till we die. We better carry our toy gun to shoot instead of carrying real gun. You see the damages where this one don't cost now. Your cinematographer, person where they record, the person don't go just like that. If say no say all this one go happen, she be there for just command the gun part for the film. Now all of say on I want make this whole thing look real, make it be like say na real shooting, on I see where the thing don't come land. And now this man, I see the business, they go release them, I be they go sentence am. Because this killing, no be saying no, do now mistake. They go just go meet person by mistake. So how they want to judge this kind of case now? But anyway, I trust when go people. They go know as they want to do them, they know how they do their investigation. But me, I feel say this whole matter is not set up. Because I did very certain say nobody go there for set. Come no carry real gun saying you want use and shoot. I did very certain a person go change the gun or put bullets inside come so that this guy will just even get case for him head. Now what me I say about this matter? But anyway, make we leave the whole matter for the American court and judges. May they judge the thing by themselves. But any update when they come about this matter, I'm going to make sure say I bring them home for now. My people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. My people, this one will carry coming now good news and now from the depths of our government. I hear say they don't consider all these people will be victims of the End Sars protest. And I know say as at last year so many people die, so many people wound during that End Sars protest. And now government don't sit down. And I know say then they create a committee. They don't sit down and decide okay fine and good. Say people will wound and people will be say they die. As far as you get proof, they don't they ready to compensate them these people. My viewers, I beg, make now join me watch.
The panel finds the petition meritorious and hereby makes an award of 5 million naira in favor of the petitioner for the injuries sustained as a result of the unlawful and reckless shooting by a police officer. The panel finds the petition meritorious and hereby makes an award of 10 million naira in favor of the deceased family for the unlawful killing of the deceased Ikechukwu Ilamuzo by the police.
At least me I like this idea, then these people try. Because they talk saying now anybody will wound, at least they go give the person like 5 million naira. And you will die, your family go collect 10 million. But make we reason this whole thing. I know say money no they buy so. But still me they look and say our government never still tackle the issue. Where they on ground. People come outside then come protest because say waiting. Then this police have been assassin, have been waiting and go call them. They know they behave, they always behave like mad people. And in these cases, they don't hurt so many people. On another look on how I go to even arrest them, these people first. Whoever caused them this damages, may they first enter jail, go prison. Now, I don't reason money. I know some most of these families, they go they happy, say, okay, at least they compensate them. But make now look into the brighter future. If we leave then these people to go just like this, now so then these people go still continue to commit. And I go say next time, now their power will still rise. Make now see the recent rebirth of End Sars they do. Or now see any changes? No. I don't go surprised say in some communities go even hear say person die. Because I hear say for Abuja the truth gone and this. What if stray bullet now don't go keep person for there now? Last now go and say okay 10 million go collect and go and better our life. No be about that one we dey talk, no be about the money. Me I know say the money na good idea. It's good at least it go help the family out to take start something. But make we look at wetin they really cause this whole wahala. Wetin make them these people even come out in the first place. Now about say wetin police no dey behave well. I don't talk make they reform them these people. And before they reform them, make they do them brain test. On another machine wey be so imbo people they use. Take test be a person dey okay, be person they supposed carry and enter Nigeria. Make they use and they test our official because so many Igbo don't spoil their head. It just be so they just get opportunity to wear that uniform. Most of them are Christmas they dey. And in places we complain, government no they look anything do. They just believe say okay, oh, they fit use their money buy out their ways. My people better make now come out and now come support this whole motion of them changing them this police or SARS whatever. And I hope say this money they go truly pay on them because now that's our government people. They sabi do audio money, they go just they talk up. But if they not pay on them, me I give them the go ahead. Make na come out and call them out. Make na come do another protest. Make these people know say okay, money where they promise you now, they never give on. Because now they agree say they go pay. Nobody force them. Now they use their mouth talking by themselves. So you will be saying you know say your family in a victim and you get proof. Now me now wait to make me come back and now come they tell you. Carry your documents, carry your proof, your picture, everything. Go show them. They don't talk say they go compensate on now. Now why I carry this news come here now? My people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.